Hey, what's up everyone? Today I'm going to be showing you one of my all-time favorite breakfast dish, French toast, paired with a strawberry puree. It's very simple, very easy. First things first, we're going to get started with the strawberries, fresh strawberries. Remove the tips. For the strawberries, make sure that you are looking for nice, firm, bright red strawberries. You do not want them kind of orange or pale. Now that strawberries are cut, we're just going to toss it in a blender, pulse it very lightly, and then we're going to move on to making the batter for the French toast. Strawberries are in. Blend them lightly. If it doesn't blend too properly, go ahead and add a little water. Once blended, go ahead and transfer to a bowl. Once the strawberries are done, place it to the side. Next thing, mixture for the French toast. Very simple. 4 eggs. Half a teaspoon vanilla extract. 1 teaspoon ground cinnamon. 1/4 cup all-purpose flour. Couple pinches sugar. Mix the batter together. Make sure you scrape the ingredients off the side of the bowl. It's always best to try to use a bowl or a deep plate so that way you could dip your bread. Okay, our mixture has been completed. We're going to put that to the side, and let's talk about bread. For bread, French toast, I prefer brioche bread. It's thick, it absorbs the mixture very well, and doesn't get too soggy when you're cooking it. So we'll be going with that today. Next thing you're going to need is butter and a hot stove. So we're going to set up the stove. Okay, make sure your pan is nice and hot. Bring your mixture to the stove. As well as your bread. And a separate dish for when the French toast is done cooking. Once the pan is nice and hot, go ahead and add butter. Make sure you move that butter around. Do not let it just sit there. You want to get the whole pan. Once the butter is melted, dip your bread inside the batter. Let the excess drip. And place it on the pan. You want to hear that nice sizzle. That's how you know the pan is hot. And will toast your bread beautifully. Once you see the edges starting to cook and that batter starting to thicken over the French toast, go ahead and flip. No more than 45 seconds is all you need. You see how beautiful the cinnamon caramelizes with the sugar. Beautiful. Turn off the stove once you're done. And now we start plating. Okay, our French toast is complete. Strawberry puree, done. Now we're gonna start plating. Go ahead and cut the French toast diagonal, creating nice triangles. And simply place it on the plate. Next, drizzle your strawberry puree slightly on top. Next, syrup. And finally, powdered sugar. And that's how you make French toast with the homemade strawberry puree.